Welcome to week 2. I was just recently going over your week 1 discussion board that was in reference to creating community within the classroom, as well as observing children, and they were really good. Just keep in mind, because some of you didn't receive full credit, the original thread is due on Wednesday, and your 2 peer posts are due by Friday, and I prefer them to be on separate days so you're doing something every day. In other words, your original post should be on Wednesday. You can reply to one of your peers on Thursday and one on Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over Module 2. So you want to go ahead and go under Canvas, under Module 2. You want to click on your instructions. It will give you a walkthrough of what we are going to be reading this week. And Chapter 2 in your textbook is going to cover characteristics of the class list logs as utilizing that as an observation tool. You're also going to learn a little bit more about reflective journaling and its value. You will explain plans to help children and families adjust to school or groups, making that transition from home to school. You're also going to read about identifying warning signs of separation difficulties. That's a big one with preschoolers, especially the younger ones, that separation anxiety from home to school. And it gives you some warning signs and some things to do about that. You're also going to examine different strategies that include children in school adjustment overall. So you will be reading Chapter 2. And again, these are the SLOs, the student learning objectives that you are going to be reading about this week. And then to be successful in this module, you're going to want to watch the video that you're watching now. Again, always go over your syllabus for important due dates, or make sure you read each module. Everything is placed in the module for you for that week, as well as the email that you receive on Saturdays tells you what's due for that week. So long as you stay on top of that, you'll be fine. If you want to read Chapter 2 again in your textbook, you're going to review the videos and the PowerPoints that I provide for you. Again, you'll always complete your quiz every Friday. So Friday, September 4th, you have until 11:59. It's worth 10 points. You want to make sure that you read Chapter 2, look over the PowerPoints and the videos prior to taking the quiz. And then your discussion board. This discussion board is entitled First Day of School. Your original thread is due by September 2nd, 11:59, which is a Wednesday. Your 2 peer posts, again, please do one on Thursday, one on Friday, but they're both due by Friday, the 4th of September by 11:59. The original thread needs to be 100 words or more, and I'm looking at that. And your peer post should be 50 words or more in length. And again, you will receive no credit if I don't get that original by Wednesday the 2nd. Okay, I had a good question this week in regards to the discussion board, and that was regarding MindTap. When you're utilizing MindTap, grades only transfer over for the quizzes. Everything else is used for information. So you might be watching a video and then there's questions over there. Those are the same questions I already asked inside the discussion or somewhere in Canvas. So you only use MindTap to take your quizzes. Everything else is going to go directly through Canvas. Even if it looks similar, always submit everything through Canvas. Okay, I wanted to make sure you were aware of that. So you also have your first assignment is your anecdotal recording is due Friday, September 4th by 11:59. That is worth 10 points. And then you want to print up your observation instructions and review them because we'll be Zooming on Saturday, September 12th in regards to your observation 1. Okay, and I also, all this will be open up for you. This is just for you to get a little ahead of it. You want to make sure you're ready for the Zoom call, so make sure you read the observation instructions. That way, if you have any questions, we will address them on the Zoom on the 12th. Now, this is Saturday, so I'm opening it up for you, Chapter 2, but we also, Saturday, today at 9 a.m., we'll be going over the entire course. So if you have any questions, that will be a great time to ask them. I'll be going over the syllabus and a little more in detail. Okay, I want to go over the anecdotal recording. Let me see. That is your assignment, and that is in Module 2. Again, everything is located in Module 2. As you see, Here are your PowerPoints, your discussion. Oops, and you're just going a little too quick. Sorry about that. Here are your PowerPoints, your discussion, which is worth 10 points. Again, first is due on Wednesday and the second part is due on Friday. So here is Anecdotal Recording. That is due Friday the 4th as well. So basically, you're going to find a partner within class. And over here, you have Pronto. You can utilize Pronto to send out emails to all your peers. That is a great way to you're going to need help. You're going to need a partner for this assignment. You will need a peer partner for your 3 observations. So it's nice to get one person that you work closely with, because that person is going to do peer reviews on your observation and help you to achieve a higher grade. Okay, so for this part, you're going to find a partner within class, ask your peer to tell a story, perhaps one about themselves as a child that the family tells, or one about their own child, or one about a child they recently saw acting up at a supermarket or a mall. And go back and analyze the parts. So who, what happened, what was said, where did it happen, and what did the observer learn or guess, which is infer, about the child. And you're going to record your findings. Okay, this is worth 10 points, and it's due Friday, September 4th at 11:59 p.m. Again, you can use Pronto, you can go through email to get a partner. Okay. And I believe that is it for this module. Go back, jumps around, I apologize. Under assignments, I should mention this as well. Keeps jumping around, I'm sorry. Under the assignments, you find your recording assignment, but I have all these different things open. If you're gonna go and do your observation in a lab school that is open, that one that you work in that you can observe, you'll have to use this checklist and agreement. Okay, and then here is your observation 1. So here are your instructions. If you might be watching, you can use part of these observations, you can use friends and families, children that age range from 3 to 6, but a lot of them you have to have a teacher involvement. So if that's the case and you can't go into a lab school, then you are going to use these videos that I provide for you. So kind of look over the instructions and maybe find some videos that you're going to be able to use. All videos must be 2 hours in length. So these videos, unfortunately, are 3 to 5 minutes each. So it takes quite a few videos to observe, right? Then here's some teacher-child interaction videos. And then it goes into different levels. Again, all of this we're going to go over in detail on the 12th, Saturday 12th at 9 o'clock. Let's see, and then your videos here for your case assignment, and then of course your quiz. So if you have any questions, this is where you're going to hit this tab, questions for the professor. You're going to hit that tab. It's going to roll over into my email. I get it right away, and I will answer you right away. Have a fabulous week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great week.